In the heart of an untamed wilderness, an ancient knowledge is about to be reborn. What you're about to witness is not just survival. I tease the art of creation, using only what the earth provides. With tools forged by nature itself, she begins her work. This is a story of ingenuity, resilience, and mastery over the wild. Her journey begins at the water's edge, searching for a foundation. Each piece of wood is carefully selected, destined for a greater purpose. Even in the vast jungle, delicate beauty thrives. With purpose in her step, she transports the building blocks of her creation. The earth itself will become part of her design. Patience and focus guide her hands as she shapes the raw material. The first pillar is set, a defiant mark of human will against the wilderness. She surveys her surroundings, envisioning the structure yet to come. This primordial forest has remained untouched for generations. Following the stream, she moves towards the site of her project. The clear water flows, a life source in this secluded world. With methodical effort, she prepares the ground for her construction. Each post is driven deep, creating a solid and reliable foundation. She steps back to admire her work, a look of quiet pride on her face. Her task complete for the day, she departs with the fruits of her labor. On a cleared hillside, the first signs of a new structure appear. She gathers more timber, the raw materials for her ambitious vision. Precision and force combine as hand tools bring her design to life. The main support beams are carefully lifted into place. A complex framework begins to take shape, piece by meticulous piece. The skeleton of the structure is now complete, strong and steady. She reinforces the joints, ensuring the bridge will withstand the elements. Her movements are efficient and powerful, a testament to her experience. Now, the decking is laid, transforming the frame into a walkable path. Each plank is secured with painstaking care. The rhythmic sound of the hammer echoes through the quiet forest. The floor is finished, a smooth surface amidst the rugged terrain. She uses a handsaw to cut the final pieces to the perfect length. Her creation is nearly finished, a small but significant conquest of nature. The bridge is complete, and it soon receives its first, curious visitor. With her work done, she tidies her tools, leaving the site pristine. She stands on her creation, a moment of quiet satisfaction and triumph. The quality of the craftsmanship is evident in every detail. A perfect harmony between a human-made structure and the natural world. The small wooden bridge stands as a symbol of her skill and determination. But her work is not done. A new project begins, a shelter from the elements. Barefoot, she feels a deep connection to the structure she is building. The vertical posts are installed, forming the walls of her future home. With an eye for safety and detail, she constructs the railings. Now her attention turns upwards to the complex task of the roof. The roof's framework rises, a testament to her unyielding effort. From below, the intricate geometry of the roof structure is revealed. She climbs atop her work, making final adjustments to the rafters. A small hand axe is used for precise cuts and shaping. She takes a moment to survey her progress, pride in her accomplishment. Planks are carefully laid, creating a solid, protective canopy. The roof is secured, nail by nail, ensuring it is watertight. Her persistent efforts are bringing the shelter closer to completion. The finished roof stands strong, a shield against the sky. The work is demanding, but she remains focused on the final details. The process is slow but steady, driven by her unwavering resolve. Each hammer blow is a step closer to a safe haven. Her movements are a dance of strength and precision. She continues to secure the roofing, leaving no room for error. The shelter is complete, a testament to her incredible building skills. The days are filled with constant work, always improving her new home. In this solitary world, an unexpected friendship blossoms. Even a completed structure requires maintenance and care. She continues to add to her shelter, making it stronger and more comfortable. Her sanctuary is finished, nestled peacefully in the green wilderness. Her small companion watches attentively as she works. A moment of playful interaction between woman and primate. Resources are harvested from the forest with respect and skill. Her companion is now an active participant in her daily tasks. Every piece is carefully fitted, a puzzle of wood and ingenuity. She works on the interior, making her shelter a true home. The sharp bite of the axe shapes wood with purpose. The floorboards are carefully placed and secured. The exterior walls are reinforced, panel by panel. A sharp blade is used for fine, detailed cuts. Each board is hammered firmly into its final position. The outer shell of her home is now complete and secure. The final pieces of the wall are hammered into place. As night falls, she rests inside her sanctuary. The small wooden hut glows faintly in the darkness of the jungle. In the deep of night, the forest holds an air of quiet mystery. She finds solace and refreshment in the cool, clear stream. A moment of perfect tranquility, immersed in the natural world. She is not alone in finding peace in these waters. Refreshed, she prepares for the evening ahead. Inside her cozy shelter, the warm light of a candle pushes back the dark. Over a crackling fire, the evening meal is prepared. She shares a tender moment with her small, furry friend. By the warmth of the fire, she tends to her companion. The hunt was successful. There is food for the night. The simple wooden hut is a beacon of safety in the immense darkness. She and her companion sleep soundly, protected from the jungle night. The morning light reveals the embers of last night's fire. Her home stands proudly in the new day's sun. A simple, rustic structure, built with skill and harmony with nature. The dawn of a new day brings more work, more improvements. She is tireless in her efforts to perfect her home. Her monkey companion explores its forest home with acrobatic grace. She looks upon her creations with a sense of deep fulfillment. Every nail, every board is a mark of her own self-reliance. Her home is a fortress of solitude, but she seeks to improve it further. She perfects the final details of her wooden sanctuary. Even the smallest addition is crafted with precision. A new project is now underway, one that requires her to go deeper. Her work is a testament to what one person can achieve alone. But her ambitions have grown beyond a simple shelter. She now seeks to create a refuge hidden from the world. A place of ultimate safety, concealed within the earth itself. This new task will test the limits of her skill and endurance. She must work in harmony with the land, shaping it to her will. The forest provides all she needs for this monumental undertaking. Her solitude is her strength, allowing for unbroken focus. She continues her work, driven by a powerful vision. A vision of a shelter that is one with the forest. The physical labor is immense, but her spirit is unyielding. She is not just building a structure, she is mastering her environment. Her hands, though tired, work with unwavering accuracy. Slowly, her hidden sanctuary begins to take form. She has perfected her craft through countless hours of practice. And now, she puts all her knowledge into her greatest creation yet. The final touches are applied to the window frame of her hut. She installs the finished window, bringing light and air into her home. Her focus is absolute as she meticulously perfects her handiwork. The forest stream flows on, a constant, peaceful presence. After construction, she tidies her living space with a handmade broom. Her completed hut stands as a proud accomplishment on the hillside. But she ventures back into the forest, ready for a new challenge. The path is not always easy, but she clears the way forward. She walks with confidence through the dense undergrowth. The forest provides sustenance for those who know where to look. She begins to dig, embarking on her most ambitious project yet. The red earth is excavated, one shovelful at a time. Through the leaves, we see her tireless work continue. She digs deeper, her determination fueling her strength. Even during her hard work, she takes time for a simple comfort. A quiet moment of rest by the fire, a reward for her labor. The pit grows larger and deeper under her relentless effort. The wood is gathered, ready to form the skeleton of the underground shelter. The excavation is complete, a perfect subterranean space. The purpose of this massive pit is about to be revealed. The construction of the hidden shelter now begins in earnest. Primitive but effective methods are used to shape the timber. The first support post is driven securely into the red earth. The foundation of the underground structure is established. She cuts the wooden posts that will form the walls. A layer of logs is covered with earth, creating a floor and walls. She stands inside the growing structure, meticulously arranging the wooden frame. The walls are a sturdy combination of wood and packed earth. She continues to build the walls, her hands skillfully packing the soil. She pauses to inspect her work, satisfied with the progress. The wooden beams are lashed together with rope for added strength. Bent branches form the arched roof, a display of brilliant engineering. Tired but triumphant, she stands beside her nearly completed earth lodge. The structure is solid, blending seamlessly into the hillside. The interlocking logs and packed earth create an incredibly strong shelter. Now, she begins to craft the entrance to her hidden refuge. The door frame is carefully installed into the structure. She makes final adjustments, ensuring a perfect fit for the door. The shelter is now fully enclosed, a secure and hidden sanctuary. A masterpiece of survival architecture, born from the earth itself. The entryway is meticulously constructed, piece by piece. The shelter's form is simple yet incredibly robust. Next, a waterproof barrier is laid over the roof. The final step in construction is to bury the shelter completely. Inside, the space is snug and secure, a true refuge. The ground around the entrance is covered with leaves for camouflage. The completed shelter is almost invisible, perfectly hidden in the landscape. She works on the interior, reinforcing the structure from within. A sturdy wooden floor is laid down inside the shelter. Her hands move with practiced ease, fitting the floorboards together. The final floorboards are put into place, completing the interior. The door is fitted, making the hidden refuge secure. A masterpiece of natural building and camouflage. The forest's inhabitants carry on, unaware of the secret below. She applies the final touch. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Huang Survival for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.